I'm Dr. Tina Johnson, the co-formulator of TeloPet. For years, TeloYouth has been shared with pets by our members who witness their animals healing, becoming more energetic, enjoying longer lives. And as you can see, TeloYouth is a favorite among our pets. And there are many ways that TeloPet can help your pet live their best life ever with our quantum rejuvenation program. Whether your pet is sick, tired, injured, or in pain, whether your pet has stress and anxiety, or if you just want your pet to live a longer, healthier life, this is a natural way to enhance and rejuvenate their body. And we do this by delivering a therapeutic whole food technology for your pet. This technology is extracted at its most potent and concentrated stages, something, by the way, no other company offers. We have advanced regenerative technology that harnesses quantum energy and signal molecules. We enhance the entire stem cell system, which is very crucial for rejuvenation, whether it's increasing the signals for damaged cells, production, releasing, and activating those stem cells. And our technology rejuvenates on all levels, starting at that cellular level, the very foundation, creating that solid foundation as you move through and they rebuild their healthy tissues, which also rebuild the healthy organs, and then helps to balance the systems. This is a comprehensive pet rejuvenation program. So this enhances your animal's overall structure and function, as well as helping them with their emotional well-being. So let's take a deeper dive into the stem cell system, which is one of the major rejuvenation systems in the body. So number one, when your pet has damaged tissue or an aging organ, it's sending out a signal. And our fertilized tissue extract helps to create a stronger signal for those organs or systems or that injury that needs help, needs rejuvenation. Also, we need to be able to produce those stem cells in healthy bones. And our fertilized tissue extract, along with our lactose-free whole milk, helps to build healthy bones, creating those healthy stem cells for our pets. And then we need to release, number three, release those signals into the bloodstream. But before we release them into the bloodstream, they actually duplicate before they release into the bloodstream. And we can release up to thousands% more of stem cells into the body with our aloe vera gel extract. Once those are released into the bloodstream, then they need to be activated. They have to find those other signals that are asking for help. And this is very critical. We have the only ingredient that does this with our fertilized tissue extract. And what it does is it helps to find that location where the damaged tissue is, or the injury, or the organ that needs more help, or the systems that need balancing. So you can see we support the entire stem cell system for your pet's body. There are two things that can interfere with this stem cell system. Number one, inflammation. We are clinically proven to help mediate or bring inflammation down in the body. And also, to bring, number two is cortisol. If cortisol or the stress hormones are too high for your pets, if they have that anxiety, this helps to calm your pet as well. Also, making this stem cell cycle, this system, much more efficient and productive for their bodies. So let's take a look at all the benefits of complete full body rejuvenation. This helps your pet live their best life ever. We accelerate the wound healing. We create healthier, shinier fur coats. We help optimize digestion. We elevate the mood and energy. We increase muscle and also the strength of their muscles. They get healthier teeth, bones, vision. I mean, all of these things, even with overall immune support and balance. As you can see, this is not just for dogs and cats, but for many animals using our TeloPet. And we have 8 what we call BPC, bioactive polysaccharide complex studies. So we have the science backing up our formula. So if you look at the first one, it's excellent immunomodulatory, antiviral, anti-tumor, and tissue regeneration effects. Number 2, dental gum tissue proliferation and bone protein integrity. We also help stimulate dental cell proliferation, differentiation, mineralization, and dentin formation. Another immunomodulatory potential of our aloe vera, which helps against radiation. And radiation right now is something that we need to protect our pets from with those electromagnetic frequencies, the EMFs. They're very dangerous. Disease management to wound healing, helping with wound healing, bone regeneration, and gut health across multiple species. Also, studies regarding extended life expectancy. Again, more dental bone, but soft tissue regeneration, more antiviral and anti-tumor effects with our BPC. Also, cats infected with an immunodeficiency virus. You can see we have a full range of studies, and you can find more information about these studies on our website. And then take a look at our ingredients. They're manufactured with high standards in a CGMP facility, manufactured in the USA, all non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free, grain-free, and lactose-free ingredients. Now, all of our ingredients are pure, clean, and highly concentrated, making them therapeutic, and we are clinically proven. Take a look at our ingredients. We have 4 in our proprietary blend. We also have a full spectrum of amino acids and natural occurring vitamins in our formula. So how do they take it? It's based on the weight of your pet, and if your pet is injured, unhealthy, or older, double the above recommendations. And you can give the powder directly to your pet, mixing it in a small amount of water, or you can give it to them directly or add it to their food. Not only is it easy, but they absolutely love it. So try it for 1 month. See the results. Just 1 month, you can change your pet's life. Help your pet to live their best life ever.